I think I was always. I started as a nerd, yeah, like a creative nerd in a way. Like I was on Photoshop at 10-year-old, like literally doing montages and then going to school, showing. I was posting online, and then people were like, "What is it? Can you do it for me?" And I was like, "Yeah, it's gonna be 10 quid." Well, my name is Laurent. I'm a strategy consultant. I'm from Switzerland, but I live in London now.
And welcome.
Thank you.
Do you know what's in front of you?
I can guess. It's a box with CES ENFANTS,
Yeah.
and I'm curious to see what's inside now.
Well, this is the very first of our insider pack, and I wanted to bring you on because I wanted you to do our first unboxing. So I'm excited for you to open it, go crazy. Let's see what's in there.
All right, let's have a look. So we have a beautiful box with CES ENFANTS on the side. There you go. Wow, blue on the inside already. That's cool. I recognize the color. Wow. Okay. I'm excited now. I haven't seen all that.
So what do you see?
So what do we have here in the box? We have so it's all blue and chrome, which I like, and then we have a card from the brand, which I guess says written with CES ENFANTS inside. Inside there's a blue card, which I'm gonna read in a second, with some kind words from Grace. I'll read that a bit more later. So we have the card, then seems like we have a blue box that's extroverted introvert volts, which is not the perfume, because I can see the perfume here with an interesting thing, which is a strap that kind of closes the box, which I'm curious to get into in a second. But first I want to have a look at this, the volt. What is the volt? Extroverted introvert volt.
So inside the vault, you've got reference ingredients in there of basically ingredients that make up the product.
Okay.
So you get to try 3 ingredients that are from the actual final product.
Okay, so it's isolated ingredients?
Yeah.
All right.
Pure 100% product.
And what are the 3?
So we have black pepper, we have cedar, and we have moss.
Incredible.
In
Well,
those tiny little vials.
cool. Well, that's a full experience. So we get to unpack not only the unboxing, but it's also unpacking the perfume with the key ingredients that we can find in the perfume here to try them before even we get to try the perfume, which is exciting. So I guess I'm curious now. So we have black pepper.
Get to guess.
Yeah. Okay. I'll have to. Let's go through that. We have this. Let's have a quick. Okay. I think this is black pepper.
You do?
Yeah. I'm not gonna put it here, but yeah, black pepper would be my guess. And then I won't open the other ones because I'm too curious to see the main event here. But so that's the volt. We'll put it on the side in here with that as well, maybe in frame. Then main event. All right, so we have a beautiful this chrome box with CES ENFANTS, and then an incredible iconic strap around it.
We put a little note for you on the side.
Oh, exciting! So there's a note on the side. What does this say? So we have a note saying, "Created for us by us, the future belongs to those who build it. CES ENFANTS, release 001, extroverted introvert. Curious. So we have I mean, I've never seen this in a perfume before, so it's quite exciting. Let's unpack this. So we have this strap with the message. This box has a lot to offer. We never stop discovering things. Wait a second. So this, I guess, how I do it, and then I open this, which loosens the whole thing, and then.
Ooh, careful now.
Yeah, careful.
Yeah, pull it. Yeah.
Oh, here we go. And then up, and it rolls.
You can slide
It's
it up now.
quite impressive. All right, so now we've taken the strap off, and we have the chrome box here. So we have CES ENFANTS, extroverted introvert, extrait de parfum. Let's open it and smell it as well.
It's a magnet.
All right, so we open it. Wow. Okay. I was expecting it to be board inside or something, common, but I guess we go full. Yeah. So we have cracked black pepper, berry bite, cannabis haze, honey drip, crisp cedar, earthy moss, woody smoke. That's exciting. Okay, so we have the perfume here on the side with the little thing to bring it out. Up. Here we go. That's incredible bottle. Wow. Like how it's just so minimal, elegant, and very tactile experience. And I guess I do have to open it like that. Wow. Okay. So it's interesting because I think you showed me another one at some point that was way more sweet.
Yes.
Here we have quite a surprise. Yeah, very fresh and interesting scent. Let me put it here. I love it.
What does it smell like?
I love it. I mean, it's interesting. It's not as common as what you would have. It's not it's definitely not your commercial big like high street perfume that you can find everywhere. I mean, it's interesting because I think you have the black pepper initially, but then there's a bit of sweetness that comes after, which I'm guessing is the honey. It's also quite interesting because it's quite grounding. It's not just something that like it's not sugary or that gives you that full I don't know, like
sickly sweet.
Exactly, sickly. I think it's a good way to put it. I feel often perfumes are either too sweet or you tend to smell like when you invest, you tend to smell like a grandpa or a grandma, and I don't feel like this is giving that, which is incredible, and also not being too, like as we said, too sweet. I think it's a perfect middle.
Do you get that cannabis in there? Yeah,
I can now have the cannabis, and I think it evolves as well from the first scent, and I guess with time it develops through the day.
Yeah.
I'm sure other elements will, like the berry and the cedar, come a bit more after. But I see woody smoke. I like that aspect as well, where I'm a big fan of tobacco perfumes, and I feel like I still have a bit of that in it. Yeah. So, and another point is, I don't think it's like a male or a female perfume. I think it's quite unisex. Like the person you are will define the experience of the perfume, which I find interesting as well. Like I could see a man, I could see a woman wear it, and that would be completely fine as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward. I think it's also not too strong in the way. I mean, you can definitely recognize it. So there's potential for it to be like an icon and for a signature scent, let's say. But I don't think it's something that's like too out there to not be able to put it every day. So I think it's interesting. Well, then we have CES ENFANTS, the little card like this, with some beautiful reflections of you guys, if we have it. And then inside you have another card.
So do you know why it's chrome?
No.
So we used a lot of chrome because we wanted it to be a mirror. Remember we said that this brand is like a mirror holding it up to those kids, so that we want you to see yourself in this brand and physically see yourself in the brand.
True. No, I love that. I love that. I think it builds even more on the whole experience of, like, it's almost like an introspective introspection into who you are, where you come from,
and where you want to be.
And yeah.
Who do you want to see looking?
I guess it's alignment on I get like who you were and where you're going. That's cool. I love it. Yes, CES ENFANTS. Well.
So what kind of kid were you?
Oh, that's a good question. I think I was always. I started as a nerd, yeah, like a creative nerd in a way. Like I was on Photoshop at 10-year-old. Like literally doing montages and then going to school, I was posting online, and then people were like, what is it? Can you do it for me? And I was like, yeah, it's gonna be 10 quid. So literally, like, I was a 12-year-old and I was doing I had some friend rappers at the time, and they wanted like a album cover. And so we were doing things like that. So I think, yeah, initially a bit of a nerd, and then I think my whole life I loved getting into, like, locking into different elements, and I had different phases. But the core might be that.
Well, how did that manifest today? How are you today celebrated for that nerd that was in that creator?
Yeah, it's. I think it's about being able to enable growth for that kid, or enabling him to get into new spaces that will build on the initial passion and curiosity. Because I think that's what was there, is the curiosity of just learning about everything. Be it music, be it art, be it business, be it whatever, but the curiosity of just going out there, not accepting for people to put you in a box. Again, we go back to this, but exploring spaces that were different than the ones you've been through, and yeah, I guess that's the way.
Thank you, Laurent.
We can chat about childhood forever, but no, it's exciting. I'm really looking forward to see where the brand goes, and this is just the start, I guess.
Yeah.
But there's everyone has a story, so looking forward to see other people share it.
Amazing.
There we go.